The City of De Pere operates a community center with programming for the whole family, but we have a lot of programs that are geared specifically for older adults. We have exercise classes, we have yoga classes, we have enrichment classes like stained glass and oil painting. We do a lot of special events and luncheons, we do bingo, we have musical performances, so we try to have a wide array of things so that there's something for everyone.
Well, I started actually about 5 or 6 years ago, and my husband was ill, and so we couldn't travel anymore. And so I needed to make a group of friends here and enjoy my time that I could away from taking care of him. And so I met a lot of nice people, new people, and also found some of my old friends were coming here too. So it was a nice place to join up with them again and make new friends.
Well, I came here because my husband passed away and I live alone. And I was getting pretty lonesome, so I have a few friends that we go out to eat. But I thought, oh, geez, time to get some more friends. So I came here and it was just so lovely. They welcomed me and I enjoy it very much to play cards and dominoes.
I moved here, I'm a widow, and I retired. And only one of my 3 sons still lived in Wisconsin, and he lives here in Green Bay. So the only person I know here is my son and his wife. So I was looking for activities to get me out of the house.
We were looking for meeting other people about our
with
age,
similar interests.
and we had picked up a couple brochures about the community center.
And then little by little, you find out more and more that's going on. And
Just to be with people, just to socialize. You know, you can talk and have a good time.
That I've been coming more often and I really like it.
It offers them a place just to get together and socialize. And everybody is really friendly.
One of the ladies that comes here said, "Why don't you come to the senior center? You seem to like to talk a lot." And we play dominoes and cards. And I came and I just loved it because everybody was so friendly.
I think it's a wonderful place to come for that. Our group in particular welcome anybody that is new coming in. And we play easy games that they can pick up on fast, and so they don't have to be experts in dominoes or the cards that we play are in all the games. And we play for fun, and we believe that the person that wins for the day is the one that has the most fun. So we welcome everybody in our group.
And they play sheephead on Monday and Thursday, and I'm sheephead crazy, so it's a good pastime. It's a lot of fun.
We're always open for people that want to play cribbage.
Well, I in particular play dominoes and cards, and then we have a game day where we play any kind of game that we want to. Everybody can bring a game, and we just play.
well, for me, I play cards on Mondays and Tuesdays. Don't want to miss either one. We play euchre and cribbage. They offer just so many classes and so forth. I've taken classes, writing classes and so forth in the past, and there's always something. And she has movie days, and it's just always been just a lovely place to come.
We play dominoes and we play a game called 5 Crowns, and then Dawn is excellent about scheduling events like spaghetti and bingo, and they have entertainment she brings in, and usually about every 6 or 7 weeks there's something interesting to go to.
Well, there was an Elvis Presley impersonator program, and there was Eddie Biebel came, and she always makes wonderful desserts for that. And we have like a tailgate party like when football starts, and chili times with bingo. There's all kinds of things that she's planning, and we always look forward to coming.
Any type of cards they like to play, they can find somebody here that's going to play it. We play sheep's head, euchre, cribbage. There's a lot of people playing bridge. People play hand and foot. Almost every day of the week you can find a card game going on.
Yeah, she has plans events, like we had a tournament on Saturday for cribbage. And she does, different things like a summer picnic and what else, events that she plans for us older folks.
People participate in our programs here for a lot of different reasons. Some people are looking for social interactions. Some people are lonely. Other people maybe just retired. Sometimes a spouse or friends have passed away. Children might live far away. So they're looking to get involved and come into a community and interact with other people and have fun. And so we provide a lot of opportunities for people to do that.
All of the senior centers publish a newsletter, and you can come they offer exercise classes, they offer, you can come to the same planned events that we do, and, instead of sitting home watching soap operas, come and get active.
Well, the magazine was a good listing of all the things they offered, and times, and certain things are certain days, and so there is really a big variety that you could be here every day if you chose to and play something different every day.
Every once in a while, Dawn has a special, once a month she has a special luncheon, and with special people to entertain us, and it's so nice. And then we have dessert, and she makes the best desserts ever. So I enjoy it very much.
They serve meals here then, for people on the weekdays.
No, I think it's the people that attract us, and being able to communicate with people, similar interests, similar age group.
And you get to know everybody.
5 people that we play with all the time is totally people I never knew.
The people are always so nice, so friendly, and welcoming.
It's important to be with older people simply because we are more patient with one another, and I find that they're the kindest people I know.
But I've made so many new friends, and everybody is very friendly, and the staff here is wonderful. They go way out of their way to make people feel welcome.
I have never seen a better staff. They care for our needs. Dawn even gives us a piece of candy every day.
Please come and enjoy the people and the atmosphere, and the games are fun. It takes up your time, and you're not lonely anymore, and you laugh, that we talk. We're not serious about playing. We play and we talk and laugh, so I enjoy this very much.
But in the summer, it's a nice place to go, particularly if your house isn't air conditioned, where you can just sit and maybe just read the magazines or books that are here.
I like coming here and just enjoying the people.
I just think it's great to have a community center where people our age can come. It's something we look forward to, and I think people who want to be with other people, this is fantastic.
For more information, just give us a call, stop in the community center, or go to our website.